ADA against BTC. What's up, Charles? ADA, yeah, okay. ADA's BTC chart is beautiful. Very beautiful, right? A, B, we're hoping for a C completion as we reverse back up. So even if we were to zip a little bit lower, this will be great. Because I think eventually, if and when the next bull run comes, ADA could be spinning back up. You see that? This could be something glorious, glorious in the making for Cardano. Absolutely glorious. So we'll be watching out for the break of the skinny pink line. Last time when we were dropping way back in 2018, we were dropping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see this? 5 waves down. Usually when we fall in waves of 3 or waves of 5. In this instance, it was 5. You see that? Do you see that, boys and girls? And when we rise in waves of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can argue this as a 3, 4, 5. You can argue this as well. But I would say it's this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So yeah, now we're dropping. So is this going to be a 3 or 5 wave move, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Maybe? Again, we're not entirely sure. We're not entirely sure. But we anticipate these lows to be taken out. Could we just zip out from it? Of course we could. Of course we could. We'll be watching out for the skinny pink line, right? So when we break the skinny pink line, woo, of course there were some shenanigans, but we continue higher, right? So same thing could happen over here though. Break the skinny pink line, some shenanigans, and then pump, we head higher. Which means that even if things were to rise, don't sweat it. There will be a second chance. Wait for the second chance if you are a big fan of Cardano, right? So yeah, we'll see how it goes first though. We're not entirely sure at this point of time, so we'll take things one step at a time for ADA BTC. ADA USDT. Here is ADA USDT. I think that ADA should see some sort of a... man, I don't really know exactly how much longer we're going to stay under the skinny pink line, but we're already knocking on the skinny pink line's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. So the last time we... when we started the bull run over here, May, right? The moment we break it, that's it. Sayonara, bitches! And we just never came back, right? Again, can you count 5 waves? Beautifully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Anyway, my point being that before we broke the skinny pink line, for the third time, we broke it once, we broke it twice, and then that's it. 3 times a charm. So this could be a break it once, break it twice, 3 times a charm. Maybe again, the thing is we don't know. I feel like something like this might happen, zip down. But it would be good as well, you know. If you're a true believer, right, you can consider, I'm not saying do it, but consider, right, buying some, and then pew, right. So this could also happen, zip down, pew, something like that. Again, we're not entirely sure. So we're just waiting for the break of the skinny pink line for ADA. When is it going to happen? We don't know. Is it going to happen today? We don't know. It could, but yeah, we'll take things one step at a time for ADA. We're hoping that eventually something like this happens. Woo! Here's the hoping, woo, happens.